I would say that I would work on any project forever, probably continuously changing things, adjusting. There's always something that I want to fix. I wouldn't say anything's ever really done. I'm Leah Amick, and we're here in my workshop in Portland, Oregon. I'm a multidisciplinary designer focusing mostly on furniture. There are two sides to my practice. One side is working with companies, mostly startup, on product development. The other side is more of my passion, which is creating custom one-off furniture and lighting pieces, and that's what I do here in this workshop. And so I've been really influenced by kind of Nordic styles. It's about kind of clean lines, simple forms, straightforward function. It's not usually arbitrary. So when I say everything has to have an intention, this is a good example. The curvature of this joint right here actually matches the curvature here. It's a detail that people don't necessarily realize that they notice, but I think that there's kind of a subconscious part of everyone that sees these things. And so it's really important to me to make sure that there's a reason for every decision I make. Traditionally, if I had to test a joint or I wasn't sure about how a piece would work, I would make a really simplified version of that joint or that object. But with Origin, I'm able to make exactly the joint that I want to see or exactly the part pretty quickly, and I don't have to create a simplified version. Origin is really great because I can kind of iterate on an idea, cutting something on CNC or creating really complex fixtures. I can just, cut out a template or something really quickly and then adjust it from there without spending a lot of time or money.